Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to force restart iPhone 13 Pro. If you're using iPhone 13 Pro and now you want to make a force restart your phones, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your pause button until your screen goes fully black, and then release your power button when you see the Apple logo. So let's see how can you do that. You have to quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button until your screen goes fully black. So you must have to wait for that, and after that you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you have Apple logo, just release your buttons and wait for your phone for restarting. So in this way you can make a forced restart your iPhone 13 Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.